Once your plant matures and it sets its seed pods, then it's going to start dying off. Now this here is a mustard plant. I showed this in an earlier video. And what I'm going to do is collect seed from this. And what I'll do is I'll just pull up this whole plant, then I'll cut all these branches off and put them in a container, and we'll let these dry. Once you get all the seeds cut off the plant, which you can see there's quite a few seeds here, that will be quite a bit of mustard seeds. Once, just leave them in a container, let them dry. The pods will start opening, and then you can get the seeds. And this here, this is some bunching onions, or some might know them as multiplying onions. And once they set a seed top, it's easy enough to collect the seeds. Just wait for all the blooms to be spent and watch before they start falling over and dropping them, because they'll start turning darker. But just the seeds that came out from when I collected them, and then you can see what all's falling out here. Well, once these all dry, there's going to be quite a bit of seeds. But you can also do that with some of your onions, because once your onions set that seed top, unless you have a need to eat an onion right now, it won't store. So you can let it go ahead and set that seed top, let it get pollinated, and then you can collect your seeds for next year. If you like this video and would like to see more of my videos, just hit the subscribe button and the bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I put out new ones. And if you think this information could help someone else, just share this video.